Okay, hello everyone. Today the front of you I have called one student, and today this boy he is to tell of you any kinds of the story, and I think whatever story sentences he will explain with very bluntly. He will not make mistake because I have taught him exactly parts of the grammatical and many story I have defined the front of this student, and I think if any point there will come of any difficult also that he will make to very easiest while speaking. Then I am going to discuss with this boy. Let first to tell me what is your name.
My name is Sachin Viskarma.
Sachin Viskarma. Then Sachin Viskarma, do you know of any kinds of the story?
Yes, sir, I am knowing the story.
Which is the story you are knowing that?
Sir, I said speak the clever fox.
Please you speak loudly, understand it?
Yes, sir.
Whatever story you are knowing that the story will have to tell in a loud voice as the people can understand very well of for explanations. This advice which I have given of you that you acquired.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then which you are wanting to take, let's start portraying, and with very solid points you will have to have the front to everyone. Okay, for
Yes,
yes, in the front of you, they all are our class trained. I think they will understand our explanations in very easiest way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
next one.
Hello, friends. Good morning. Good morning, friends. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sachin Viskarma, basically from Andhrakola, Jammu, Giri, Jharkhand. Now I am reading in my 9th class in Sri Jharkhand Plus 2 High School Tara, and I belong to a middle class family. My strength are struggle, and my aim is police officer, and my hobby is playing to football, cricket. That's all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Now I am going to tell a story the front all of you. There was a pond, and many herons lived on that pond, and there was one forest beside of that pond, and one fox lived on that forest, and the fox come daily the near of pond, and he caught one fish, and he went to the between of forest, and he ate. One day he went to the near of pond, and he caught a fish, and again he went to the between of forest, and he was eating at that moment. One bone trapped in his neck. After that he thought, when I was going to pond, then there was lived many heron, and his mouth was long. If I shall go to the near of that heron, then he take out of my trapped bone. After that he went to the near of pond, and he called one heron, and he told, hello friends, my in my neck there is trapped one bone. You take out of that bone. After that I shall give you one meat. After that the heron told, okay, I shall take out of that bone, and he take out of that bone, and he ate. After that fox was going, then heron told, what happened? You are wanting to give me meat, then why don't you give? After that the fox told, okay, which bone trapped in my neck, you ate of that neck, you ate of that bone, so that is your meat. Okay, thanks.
Okay, great. You have told the right exact facts. You have not mistaken anywhere. But which some error is coming while speaking in telling of any word pronunciation. That thing about you will have to improve from the next time. Okay.